Hey, my friend Daniel here, CEO Infinity with myEcon. And if you're like me and you're watching this video because you dissect network marketing compensation plans, then you're in the right place because I'm going to break down in less than 5 minutes, hopefully, how simple the myEcon compensation plan actually is. So, what's great about this is everything fits literally on one page here. Now, I'm not going to dive into the products and services. I have several other, not only videos, but entire playlists here on my channel that break down every single product and service that you get with myEcon. So if you want that, head on over to the main part of my channel and you'll see those playlists there. So it really breaks down to three simple things that you need to know and understand. So number one, let's get into it, is there's four different price points that you can join at. Okay. There's $24.95, $44.95, $59.95, which is outside of the USA only, international, or $99.95. And I'm not here again to go over every single product and what you get. I have all that on other videos. We're really just dissecting the compensation plan here and the income potential with myEcon with this specific compensation plan. So with those different levels, there's three different fast starts that you can get. These are your direct commissions, which is line number one. $15, $35, or $70, depending on which four of those levels that somebody joins at. Now, obviously, a couple of those levels is the same direct commission. So you see it right there. Those get paid out every single Friday. That's when myEcon pays, every single Friday. And those direct commissions, line number one, your direct commissions, are about a 70% direct commission based on what you get versus what somebody paid. Now, line number two, these are your overrides, okay? This is what you get as your team grows. So as you're building your team, when your team is making sales, you get between a $1 and a $10 override. And that is simply based on the rank that you are at. So I'll explain those ranks here right at the end. Okay. Now, what's great about line number two and line number three as well, those get paid down to infinity. So there's no cap. This isn't a binary where you're strong side, weak side. This isn't a matrix where you cap out and you don't earn monthly residuals past people that are in your matrix. No, you can get paid to infinity because this is a basic unilevel compensation plan. So regardless if someone cancels, it doesn't matter. If there's compression, it doesn't matter. Here, you literally get paid down through infinity. Okay. So number one, direct commissions as you promote. Number two, override bonuses as your team promotes. Okay. And again, those are paid out every Friday. And then number three, my favorite, which is your monthly residual. So every single month, when every single person on your team renews, you get between $1 and a $13 override, again, based on the rank that you are at. Okay. And again, this pays down to infinity. So whether you have 10,000 people on your team, 100 people on your team, or 100,000 people on your team, you get paid on every single person on your team every single month. No catches, no gotchas, no loopholes, no nothing. It's very straightforward. This is a 100% full transactional compensation plan, which means for you, anytime there's a transaction on your team, when someone joins or someone renews, you get paid, period, end of story. Now, there's three main ranks you need to take a look at here inside of myEcon. You have gold, platinum, infinity. Okay, infinity is when you can literally get paid to, you guessed it, infinity. In order to get to gold, you need 2 personals. Platinum, you need 10 personals or 10 people on your team. Or infinity, you need 38 personals or 38 people total on your team. And the minimum requirement for you to make each of these levels is you only need 2 personally sponsored. So straight up, my friends, this is about as simple as you get, and they have made it as easy as possible for you to rank up even to the highest level with the myEcon compensation plan. So if you want 70% direct commissions, bonuses on every single, override on every single person that joins your team, and then getting paid on every single person on your team down through infinity, this 100% transactional compensation plan from myEcon is where you want to be. So hope you got value from this. Hopefully this was straightforward enough for you. And hopefully this is quick enough and I covered everything that you need to know if you're looking for what you need to know on the myEcon compensation plan. If there's anything I missed or anything you need further information on, drop a comment down below, or I left my phone number right here at the top of this video. Thank you for watching, my friend. I have a full overview for you that lets you know Once you join my team, specifically the over $11,000 in free value we give you and your done for you front end system with funnels, email marketing, our app, everything, I'll leave that as an end card right here at the end of this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content. Appreciate you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one.